Hello everyone. Today we are here with another session of grammar, and today's topic is letters, capital letters and their special use. Let's see. Start students. Most of the words we capitalize in English are what we call as proper noun. And you very well know what a proper noun. Proper nouns are the names given to particular place, person, animal or thing. Means special names given to them. For example, Mount Everest or your friend's name, for example David. Of course, the most of the grammar rules are not simple, so let us review some of the most important rule of capitalization. Let's see. First in the one of the important rule of capital letter is the principal word in the title of the book, magazine, picture, song, article are capitalized. The preposition, conjunction and the articles a and the are not capitalized unless the title begins with them. Understood everyone? The principal words of the books, principal words means the main words of the books are capitalized, and the articles, as we know what are the articles a and the, they are not capitalized unless they begin with these words. Okay, let's see some examples. The Lord of the Fire, that is a book. The Times of India, that is a newspaper. The Saturday Evening Post, that is a magazine. The Gold That Lost Its Glitter, that is the article. And the Peace Prayer Song, that is the song. Night article the is not capitalized unless it is used in the first word of the title. So when it is used in the title, then only it is used as a capital letter, otherwise it is not used as a capital letter. It is written with small letters. Now see, for example, the Times of India and so on, the examples. All the words referring to deities, that is the god, sculptures and sacred books are capitalized. See on your slide, that is, for example, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Quran, the Upanishads, the Ramayana, all these books are written with the capital letters. Next, name of the school subject are not capitalized unless they are the names of language. Subject listed in the school catalogs as the names of special courses are capitalized. See, for example, English is a language, Hindi is a language, science, it is not written with the capital letter, economics, it is not written with the capital letter, but the computer basic, the title of the course, and advanced mathematics, title of the course, it is written with the capital letter. Capitalized word that show family relationship when they are used with the person's name. For example, Aunt Sheila, your person's name is used with the family relationship. The word father and mother are not capitalized when they are preceded by the pronoun. When we use with the pronoun, they are usually capitalized. For example, Aunt Sheila, cousin Deepak, sister Shalini, mother Bear, my father, his niece. So, like this. So now next, few common rule of capitalizations are like first word in the sentence, it is always capitalized, as you know very well. Capitalize the pronoun I, always capitalize the pronoun I. Capitalize directions, that are names, north, south, east, west, the days of the week, the month of the year, the holidays which are given to us, that all these things are capitalized. Capitalize the trademarks. The trademarks means the company logos, that are capitalized. Abbreviation, that are always written in the capital letter. So and so on. So thanks for watching, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.